Hello, today I want to show you how to create an interface for an initial upload of accounts and contacts from an XML file. So after you have installed the SKYVVA Integration Suite, you have two new tabs. One is integration, one is adapter. If you click on integration, we make a new integration for importing accounts and contacts. Good, now we have a new integration. Now we create a new interface called accounts. It's account object in Salesforce. And we create a new interface, contact, where we work with a contact object in Salesforce. What we need now is we need to get the source structure of our XML file. So we scroll down and there we can define the source definition. What we do here, we are looking for accounts and contacts, and if you want we can have a look on this file, on the structure. It's very easy. So what's important if you want to use, for example, other languages, the encoding, and that's the data what we want to upload. Good. We choose the interface, save the structure, the site is reloaded, we scroll down to our mapping, and what we can find here is the structure of our XML file. Now we can start with the mapping. So we have where is our city? Here's our billing city. We have a billing country. We don't have a postal code. We have a billing street. Oh, we have two billing streets. So what we need to do here is we say, oh no, that's the city. We say, okay, we want here street 1. Put it together, divided by a comma, and street 2. Okay. Then we have a billing street, billing country, city, contact information, country. We have a debtor name, that's account name. And we have a debtor ID. That's our unique external ID. And here we have the name, account name, debtor name. That's it. Now maybe we want also to have an account owner. So the account owner is normally our integration suite if we don't say anything. But what we can do is that we try to take an account owner based on the country. So as country we have, for example, the DE for Germany or IT for Italia. And what we can do here now is we create a formula. So for example, if country is equal DE, we want to have a lookup relationship to the user object in Salesforce getting the ID. And what do we compare? We compare the alias and if the alias is DE, then I want to have B1. On the other side, if country is not DE, I make look up on another user, get the user ID, from a colleague, close it, save. Great. Now we can, we forgot the external ID, sorry. The debtor ID is our external ID. We save it. Great, thank you. And what we need to do now is we need to chain these two interfaces, because first we want that the accounts are created, then we want that the contacts are created. So this is our child interface. Which interface is getting the data? That's the interface with the sequence. One is getting the data. That's it. It's chained. Now we go to the child interface, the contact interface. Do the same as we did on the account interface. So we upload the structure. We save it. Great. The page is refreshed now. And then we go to the contact. Contact. Good. Birthday, department. No, we don't have these fields, but we have an email address. We have a last name. Contact last name. Do we have also a first name? Yes, we have a first name. And we have a phone. Great. What is missing? It's missing the lookup on the account. So we have here the account ID, that's a reference to the account. And based on the debtor number, we want to create also a lookup relationship now to the account. So we create here a VLOOKUP again. You can also use this formula editor and pick up here the formula you want. Then you can insert here the formula as well. Then we have here the object name, account, the field to retrieve. We want to have the ID here. Then we have a field condition. And condition, so this means our debtor number is equal with account with our ERP debtor ID. If these are equal, then we get the account ID. Great. Good. Now the external ID, don't miss it. That's the email address here in our case. We want to save it. Good. Now if we look back to our interfaces, what did we do? We created the interface accounts, we uploaded the structure for the accounts, we did the mapping for the accounts, made a lookup to a user based on the country, we changed the two interfaces, we created the interface contact, we uploaded the structure, we did the mapping and did the lookup on the accounts. What do we need to do now? Before we test the interfaces, we need to deploy it. So that's can we easily do here. We say edit, click on deploy. If we want, we can add here a description. Import accounts. Contacts. I save this. Great.